But basically, the flail mower is essentially it's a big spinning load of metal, isn't it? It's just like metal arms that spin around and around really fast, same as a lawnmower, isn't it?
Yes, they're going on an axle, going round fast. And the important with a modern hedge cutter, with any hedge cutter, is you must keep it sharp. A sharp machine will make a nice job, but it will also use less fuel, and it makes so much difference. If you have a blunt machine, you can't make the job. I remember my brother when he got married. He was in a slaughterhouse, and he was getting married the next day, I think it was, and he was cutting up a cow, and he didn't stop to sharpen his knife. And he had a blunt knife, so he put more pressure on to cut, and of course, he cut his ring finger, didn't he? So, knowing my brother, he had to rub a bit of salt on his hand to try and get the swelling down so he'd get his ring off. But no, it's a lesson you have to learn. Always keep your equipment sharp. And these flails that we use, kept sharp, will make a nice job. Again, you only want 1 year's growth to make a nice job. You can do it with older growth, but you've got to be a lot sharper. But it's virtually every day you just run the machine over it just to sharpen them all up. And I mean, I don't know how many flails my machine's got. I guess there's probably 30. There's 3 rows of them. And no, it's makes a good job done properly.
Yeah, actually,
when they first brought the flail hedge cutters in, I used one of the first ones in about 73. And there was a particular make of machine which a lot of people bought, and they got flails a very bad name because they were going around cutting hedges far too big and didn't know what they were doing. We actually bought a different make to the others. We got it from the Royal Show, and that made a first-class job. But there again, we were told how to use it, and we kept it very sharp. It was a nice machine, and that machine that make has been bought out by another company now, but it's still available, that particular one. It was what we call mid-mounted. The hedge cutter went locked onto the side of the tractor instead of on the back, but it made a good job.